I'm finally happy to bring my love for makeup here on YouTube, so get ready. I think this is going to be a good way for me to share some tutorials, including reviewing the palettes at the same time. You must have seen Nykaa has recently launched some 9-in-1 eyeshadow palettes and they sent it to me. So let's dive into this palette and see how well it blends. These are the colors so far. Let me give you a closer look. Here's a glitter. This is a little creamy textured, like a very weird pan, honestly. It feels like a suede kind of finish, like a very dry waxy eyeshadow pan. I'm not sure how to even use this palette, to be honest. This is a cheek lip color kind of thing. I like my eyeshadow palette to be an eyeshadow palette and not a super multitasker, especially this glitter kind of stuff. They dry out and I feel like it's such a waste of space. These two are the mattes that I have. I will try to use this and we'll play around this shimmer at the same time. I have prepped my eyelid with the concealer. I have not set my base. For the brush, I'm taking Simply Nam 02 brush. I'm going with this color. When I look straight, this is the hood I have. This is exactly where I'm going to place this transition color. And this is, I'm just gonna start blending it in a half moon shape. I'm trying to go in and also, move my brush at the same time. It's blending so seamlessly with my base without getting patchy. So definitely a good matte at that. If you can see, this is lighter hair and it's getting darker, so this matte is also pretty good. It's building up pretty well. See, that's really solid. I'm gonna try to elongate it when my brush has very less product. If you're gonna do this step while having a lot of product, you're gonna end up taking the whole eyeshadow out of your eye. We don't want that. I'm gonna go with the darker color right here. I'm gonna try to put that on the outer V. Let's see how that blends with the color that we just had underneath. Now you see there's this patch. We have to blend this. So I'm gonna go back and forth with the first color that we were using to get that blend. So that's where we're at right now. That's actually going pretty nicely, I would say. Blended nicely. I don't really see any patch in terms of those two colors meeting together. I already like the mattes in this palette. That's really pretty. It feels a little dry, but this is the kind of texture which I feel like it doesn't stay all day. So I think I'm gonna go with another layer. Let me know in the comments if you like how the pigment is on this shimmer. I didn't get anything. Oh, that's a little greenish. I'm not sure if you can see that.
It's a little green and it's very dry. I think you have to layer it a lot to get like a
proper good shine. Like that was probably my 4th or 5th attempt. I don't really see a lot of fallout, so I think we're good to go. I'm just gonna set my under eye real quick and we're gonna do our lower lash line. And I will go with the first color that we use as a transition. I will apply it all over. Once you're done with this step, we're gonna take a brush like this. It's flat and fluffy. This is from a Morphe set. I would link the brush set in my description below. I'm very closely trying to blend it up here. I'm using my ABH eyebrow. This is the color basically I wanted to show you, and I'm using my PAC eyebrow brush from the Iconic brush set. Close on my lash line somewhere like this. Rose of Colors pencil brush just to blend it all together. It's such a good pencil brush. It really gets into the socket or whatever you want to call that, honestly. And I would try to elongate it a little bit. Now, the part that I have here, I don't want to leave it empty, so I'm going to use some shimmer from the same palette. Did you see what a big difference that made? So beautiful. I'm not sure what I want to do for the waterline. So I'm going to go with this Color Bar Cocoa Maze gel pencil. It's a soft bronzy brown and I think it's going to look good. Let's do some mascara and lashes and we'll see the finished look. Colossal mascara. Now you can obviously stop here if you're not somebody who likes to wear lashes. I'm gonna go that with my favorite half lashes ever, the Zygos Beauty Fern Flick. These are perfect, especially if you're a beginner. Anyone. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, because I'm gonna come up with the next one soon.